List of eligible candidates for admission to MBBS, BDS, BHMS, BAMS, BSLP, BOMS, and BSc Nursing course against state quota seat for academic session 23-24 for open category, and then other scheduled tribe category, and then scheduled caste category, and PWD category. Saya kini baru ngan ailang hagaju nomor bakidon kendiat de khasi jantia and garu category. I have given them separately. These are only the eligible candidates. So the date of screening will be on 14 August 2023 from 10 a.m. onward. The center will be in Shillong Civil Hospital for those who choose Shillong, and in Tura Civil Hospital for those who choose Tura. The time will be 10 a.m. onward. So the name of the candidate in open category are Purovit Chakravorty 685 in NEET UG score. The selected list will be chosen based on this NEET UG score. The highest in this NEET UG score will get selected for MBBS, and then the rest will be on BDS, BHMS, BOMS, BSLP, and it depends on their choosing. If they get highest, also if they choose the BOMS or BSLP or BSc Nursing, so it depends on the candidate, but they will get to choose the highest one, that is MBBS, those who get high score in NEET UG score. So this PCB score or PCBE score is just for eligibility. So the name of the candidate are Purovit Chakravorty, Bhumika Amarkani, Sinan Deshan Taryang, Nathan Marshall Khar, Kenneth Merkar Nongtrao, Mehboob Hassan, Monimul Ekram Mondal, Aishush Kumar, Muhammad Mahmudul, Aidamon Kongsngi, Dalang Kiso Mertong, Atifa Saman, Shiranjit Kumar Paul, Dia Chaudhry, Anggur Saman Haq, Deyani Singh, Abul Kalam Golam Madi Alom, Stephen Marbanyang, Ainam Dafisha Bersad, Habibur Rahman, Bipradik Basak, Nevedita Chanda, Anan Yadav, Aniket Kumar Chaudhry, Vyas Borgohan, Hamela Tebor Kharkongor, Evalin Dora Pakma, Kanti Prasad, Priya Shade, Gloria Yasmin. So there are 30 candidates in the open category, and then in other scheduled tribe category there are 10 candidates: Swastika Hajong, Dipankar Rabha, Mohananda Koch, Darshana Rabha, Keswab Hajong, Abilashi Hajong, Anita Rabha, Ankita Rabha, Barsha Koch, Diksha Koch, Jessica Rankho. So the screening center is given there, so check out your screening Tura and Shillong. And then those candidates who are in scheduled caste category are Kanti Prasad, Supra Prakash Das, Anurup Saha, Raju Kumar Prasad, Sharmista Das, Mihika Rajak, Aditya Saha, Sanju Robidas, Puja Saha, Remy Saha. And then those for person with disabilities category, Sani Hababet Khairim and Shan Kupar Kharnayor. There are 2 candidates in PWD category. Tangini Nyuptip, Kubleshbun.